Welcome. This sun says dwelling as an orientation point to our word of the day. And this is a condensed version of the first definition: residential shelter, dwelling. What word is it? Home. So, this is an interesting word, and we're going to take a look at it with our magnifying glass. And we're going to look to the center of this word. I don't know if you remember our last, something we had recently, very heavy stuff. Center is, the enter in center means within. So we're saying, what is within home? And if we look on the board here, it says residential. Well, does everyone see reside? They're talking about going to a center point. This is where home is. It resides. It's before any other sides. It's where we go every night. Our residential shelter. See the shell and shelter? It's telling you it's a shell. And dwelling over here, D, in 3 different languages, Hebrew, Arabic, and Greek, D means door. So this is a door to a well. So this shelter, our residing central shelter, is a door to a well. So we come home to get well, right? And this well is inging. So it's not stagnant. And so what's inging? Inging is action and result. It's cause and effect. So we come home to our dwelling and we start experiencing an indwelling of the well. See, we get rejuvenated. That's why we come home. Get ready for the next day, so on and so forth, right? So, here's our Om, right here in home. This is our center point. Does everyone know what Om is? Well, maybe this makes it a little clearer that this word or expression called Om is right in home. And this didn't just happen. That we're talking about a residential shelter, a center point that touches right into the well of living in a dwelling. This didn't just happen, that Om just showed up here. It was placed here. By whom else? The word makers. Because it's obvious. And so, when we take a look at home, from a Hindu point of view, there's 3 words they use to describe 3 sounds that happen together to make one sound called Om. And these are, one of the words to describe this is waking. Then there are dreams. And then we have deep sleep. So this is what goes on at home.